Hello and welcome everyone. Yeah, welcome to Crypto Based Media. So if you can hear me, send Crypto Based Media in the chat session. If you can hear me, send Crypto Based Media in the chat session. Hello and welcome everyone. Yeah, good to have you all here tonight. Fine. If you can hear me, send Crypto Based Media in the chat session. If you can hear me clearly, send Crypto Based Media in the chat session. Fine. Perfect. So quickly, I can see that some people are not new here. They already know the game. I can see that. So quickly, tell me your name and where you are listening from tonight. What's your name and where you are listening from? Inside the comments, make use of the comment section. Tell me your name and where you are listening from. Your name and where you are listening from. It's fine. I can see a lot of people are charged up here tonight. Your name and where you are listening from. Oh, fine. I can see a lot of people right here. Um, Mohammed from Yobe State. I can see William from Delta State. I can see Abraham from Benin. James from Abuja. Um, Chubi from Lagos. Mayor from Owerri. Daniels from Lag. Um, Babalola from Sokoto. Um, Paul from Rivers. Philemon, I don't know if I get that name right, but Philemon from Shagamu, Eunice from Maduguri, David from Niger State, Tokwe from Abuja, Jude from Port Harcourt, Maxwell from Abuja, and I see you all. I see everyone. Albert from Enugu, Kingsley from Benin. You all are welcome to Crypto Based Media. Tonight will be one of our review session to check up on you guys, to check how well you are doing in your trading journey. So, what's up with you guys? I hope your bags are pumping. I mean, the last time we met, Bitcoin was around 64,000 or $63,000. We predicted that Bitcoin is still possibly going to go higher than that, and it actually did. Although we saw a little bit of dump, and then later on we saw that Bitcoin was still pumping. And right now, this night I saw Bitcoin at $71,000. Isn't that impressive? Very impressive, guys. Very impressive. Fine, I can see you all. I can see you all. Very impressive. So you are welcome to tonight's session. Quick introduction. My name is Rock. I'm a cryptocurrency trader like you guys here. And I'm not just a crypto trader, I'm also a crypto tutor, which is the reason why I'm here with you guys tonight. So tonight is going to be a very educative session, and we are going to be learning, and it is going to be very interactive because I enjoy when I teach, when I speak, when I lecture, when I pass insights. I enjoy is that I get feedbacks. So immediately I'm telling you to give those feedbacks. Make sure you have your fire emoji ready. I can see that Starro is here. Starro is not dulling. So I understand that some of you guys are new here. And that is very fine. This is how we hold our session, just to check up on you guys and make sure that you are making money and you are trading profitably. Yes, the cryptocurrency market is a market that, let me say, is no longer a baby market. But let me still congratulate you guys that you guys are still early. A lot of people have still not heard about cryptocurrency. You guys are still early to me, and some people are still even early. They are even earlier than the institutional investors. And I'm very sure that Bitcoin is still open to more institutions, and the crypto market as large is definitely still going to pump, and we are going to make a lot of money this year by God's grace. Mm. So we already know. I think Bitcoin halving is less than 20 days from now. Bitcoin halving is going to be happening in April. Yeah. So and basically a lot of controversies have been around Bitcoin halving. The normal thing that we know according to history is that immediately after every halving, the market pumps, right? The Bitcoin market pumps. So meaning all these pumps that you are seeing here, they are still smaller pumps. There are still more greater pumps to come. according to history, according to what have been happening before. You understand it now? So I'm so much happy to have you guys all here, and I don't want to waste any of our time at all. I just want to go straight to the point. So first, we are going to be analyzing the markets. We are going to be looking at where the market is going, what is possible for the markets to do, where we are possible to go, where it is that it's possible for us to go from here, and some measures that you should be taking when you are trading the cryptocurrency market, right? Very fine. Yeah. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. I usually like doing my analysis and starting up with Bitcoin because the fact is that if Bitcoin moves, all of that coin as well moves. If Bitcoin moves, all of that coin moves. It's just this basic fact, right? It's just this basic fact about Bitcoin. Yeah. So I like to clear this previous chart that I have with me right here, and we'll be doing a top-to-down analysis, looking at where Bitcoin currently is and where Bitcoin is likely headed to next. Do you understand? Fine. Let me just delete these guys so we can have a very, very clear chart. Yeah, fine. Most, let me just remove everything. Remove drawings. Fine. So here is our clean chart on BTC USDT. This is let's take a look at the 1 month time frame. So basically, here is the 2020/2021 bull market, and here exactly is the 2022/2021 bearish market, and the bull market, the reversal starting from January 2024, I think. Yeah, no, not January 2024. I think this is from January 2023. Yeah, from January 2023. So it's been all good ever since then. And you see that we are in a very, very strong bullish market, stronger than the one that we've always been before. You see that? Very, very strong. So according to this monthly time frame, it seems and it looks like we are still going up. It looks like we are still going up. And then taking a look at our 1 week time frame, right? So 1 week time frame is basically everything that happened within a week in the cryptocurrency markets. Do you understand? And right here too, we can still see that we are still maintaining that upward trend movements. Do you understand? We are still maintaining that upward trend movement. So basically, it's just something that is very, very obvious and that is very, very simple. You understand now? So basically, the ideology about cryptocurrency trading is that if you are in an uptrend like we are right now, you want to be doing more of longing the coin and more of buying coins. Why? Because we expect that the market in the long run will give us enough profit. We expect that the market is going to print enough profits for us. Give me 1 sec, guys. All right. So basically, it means that the market is still going up. You can see the weeks that we've been having right here. So if you are in a bullish market, what it means is that you want to be doing more of longing the coin and betting to the upside and buying coins at a particular point in time. Don't worry, if you have any question in this session, there will be time for you to ask a question. You understand? There will be time for you to ask me a question and all of that. And then in the bearish market, what we always want to do is that we want to be shorting the coin, and then we want to be betting that the coin will come down in price. But currently, we are in a bullish market, we are in an uptrend. What we expect is that the market will have little pullbacks, and that little pullback is our edge. It is our edge. Imagine, let me take this to a 1 day time frame so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is a 1 day time frame. Now, imagine you act on the edge and then you buy pullbacks on this particular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Imagine you buying Bitcoin when it did a pullback from this point, from $47,000 to $39,000, right? That is going to be That is going to be let's see, yeah, from this points to this point, that's going to be a 17 percentage pullback. So imagine you bought Bitcoin at this point at 17% at around $39,000, and when Bitcoin now pumps, even if you are not that greedy and then you just want to take profits, the last part, the last high of Bitcoin at $46,000, you'll be making around 17 percentage profits, which is modest. As a trader, that is still modest. You understand? So basically, in an uptrend, in a market that is going upward, if you want to be buying any coin, what you should be looking at is the pullbacks, is the drawdowns, those little pullbacks. Something like this will give you a 17% profit. Something like this also, it will make a lot of sense. Imagine buying here and taking profit at this point. Look at this one as well. When the markets pull back at this point, I was shouting and telling everybody to buy the dip. Buy the dip, oh, buy the dip, oh, buy the dip. Look at this now. Now we are almost back as the all-time high. Do you see that? Do you see that? This is simply the 1 day time frame. We're almost back at the all-time high. So basically, I'd like to just draw these two lines right here, just to signify our range high and range low. Yeah, basically. So the market has formed something like a range high and a range low. Do you understand? So to me, what we expect, we might see that and we might see above that, is that the markets will continue to go in between these boxes, right? The markets might continue to go in between these boxes for the meantime. And after some time, if there is volume in the markets will break above this all-time high. Do you understand? Usually, when markets breaks all-time high, they tend to relax. They tend to cool off. It's just like somebody shooting a Browning machine gun. How many of you guys know Browning machine gun here? Who has watched, what's the name of this ice movie? What's the name? This professor is in. Can somebody remind me in the comment section? There's this ice movie, I've forgotten. Why? There is professor in it, there is a Sinky in it. Why am I forgetting? They are all putting on red. Can somebody remind me of that movie quickly? Can somebody remind me of that movie quickly? There's Professor, there's a Sinky, there's a lot of those people inside that movie. Why am I always forgetting? And it's one of my favorite TV shows. Money Eyes, God bless you. God bless you. Okay, so some people are saying it's blood. If the video is blood, go to your settings under your same YouTube. Go to settings, click on quality. I think you click on advanced and then click on 480 or 780 pixel. You should be able to see me clearly. I mean, you should be able to see what I'm doing clearly. So thank you guys. Money Eyes. Money Eyes is what I'm talking about. Remember when Helsinki and Co, they were shooting their Browning machine gun, when they were shooting it back to back, the way the machine gun was sounding, at some point, they had to make the machine gun cool off. Do you understand? They can't continue shooting the machine gun on and on and on like that. If not, it won't be very good. In fact, I think one of the reasons why you have to reload is so that the machine gun can basically cool off. Do you understand? Same as those people who play games. When you see all of those guns that they mount on top of those Peacock, on top of those Elox cars, when you are shooting it for a very long time, it gets too hot. It tells you machine too hot. Then you drop it a bit. Do you understand? It's more or less like that here. So even if Bitcoin is pumping and whatever coin it is, even if that coin is pumping and making new highs, at some point, the market is going to cool off. Do you understand? It's going to cool off. It's going to give you drawdowns. Now, you as a smart trader, that is where you come in. In Professor's voice, this is where you come in. Do you understand now? This is where you come in. You can see that candle immediately. It's rejected that candle at that point. Do you understand? And this is even one of the reasons why I drew our range low exactly at this point. Do you understand? And our range high is at our all-time high. So basically, what we are expecting the markets to do right now is to break this all-time high that is around $73,000. So two things can happen here. The market can either break this guy or the market should reverse from this particular point. Do you understand it now? But to me, there is a high probability that the market is going to break this all-time high. Do you understand it? Why? Because we are in a bullish market. Do you understand it now? We are in a bullish market. It's only if we have a bad news or anything bad or any stuff that is happening, then we can have a drawdown or then we can have markets dumping or anything like that. Trust me, guys. $100,000 is just being conservative. Trust me. Bitcoin is going to pump higher than $100,000. You already see how Bitcoin broke the all-time high from, was it $61,000 we were looking at before? Was it 61,000? You can see how Bitcoin broke it easily. No stress at all. No stress at all. That is justice. You understand? So $100,000 is just small thing. But what do you now need to understand in this cryptocurrency market? Let me tell you something. As somebody that has small capital, let's say you are trading with $100, $200, $300, Bitcoin is not that particular coin that you should be buying. Do you understand? It's not that particular coin that you should be putting all of your money into. Do you understand? What you want to be looking for is you want to be looking for low cap assets, low cap gems, gems that have not really grown like Bitcoin. There's one thing that we call market cap. Market cap is basically the market valuation, the valuation of a particular coin. See, a lot of traders make the mistake of using the price of a coin to determine the value of that coin, which is wrong. What you should use to determine the value of the coin is the market capitalization of that coin. Do you understand? And how is market capitalization calculated? It's derived by saying the circulating supply of that coin multiplied by the current price of that coin. That gives you the market cap of the coin. Do you understand? Do you understand now? So I know currently the market cap of this coin is above 1 trillion. Let me quickly go to CoinGecko for you guys, because if you want to be making money in this cryptocurrency market, CoinGecko is also one site that you should be using. CoinGecko is an aggregator. These people have a lot of coins. Do you understand? They have the reports, the analysis, the data of a lot of coins right here. You can see Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin is at 1.3 trillion market cap. Look at, count the zeros, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1 trillion, 1.3 trillion market cap. Do you understand? So coins that have high market cap might not really give you the kind of profits that you're looking for. Do you understand? If you want to be doing big percentages, 50%, 80%, 100%, you don't find them with coins like Bitcoin. Now, which kind of coins should you be looking at? According to this current cryptocurrency markets 2024 trend, the coins that you should be looking at are coins that are real world assets, coins that are AI. In fact, I can bank on AI anywhere, anywhere. Coins that are meme coin. There's this particular meme coin that has been gaining popularity recently. Dog with meme, or what is it called? That coin is currently the third largest meme coin in the cryptocurrency market. Dog with art. Here it is, dog with art. This coin basically printed guys. It basically printed boys' money, like millions of dollars, thousands of dollars, guys. And I'm not joking. See here, the cryptocurrency market is really changing, right? It's really changing, and there has been a lot of new narratives, things that we've not even heard before. But if you're going to be making your research or doing anything on any coin, you should be looking at categories. Do you understand? You should be looking at categories. Now, if I go to categories, you see multiple categories right here. Do you understand? Multiple categories. Categories like smart contracts trended in the last bull run. Do you understand? And we have a lot, even DeFi has not really come back like that. But categories that we are seeing that are really pumping right now is the meme coin category. You can see meme coin category, all of the coins in the meme coin category alone did around 30% in the last 70 days. Do you see that? The whole meme coin category, they did around 30%. Do you understand now? Even the NFT has not really started doing big things like that. And now another category that is trending is this the pin. The pin. The pin did around 9% in the last 7 days, but I can tell you for a fact that the pin is one of those cryptocurrencies categories that is going to give you a good run this 2024 bull market. So aside from the pin, we also have artificial intelligence, AI. In fact, those three, you can bank on it. You can bank on those three. You can bank on those three. So what should you do if you want to make money? Do you understand? What should you do if you want to make money? Come to each of these categories. Look at the coins that are under them. Look at the ones that are still undervalued. Look at the ones that just recently launched. Do you understand? You can easily sort these coins right here. Do you understand them? You can easily sort them. Look at them. You can easily sort it. You can even sort it by the market cap from ascending to descending. Maybe the one that has the highest market cap, the one that has the lowest market cap, and sort it like that. This one now, I think this is now sorted from the lowest market cap to the highest market cap. Do you see that now? There are a lot of coins here. There are a lot of coins. So once you do your due diligence, you do your research, you should be very, very good to go, and for you to be able to buy these coins. Now, we are now at the Bybit part. We are now at the Bybit part. I think we've done justice with the analysis. We can say that Bitcoin is currently okay at this point that Bitcoin is right now. If you are a trader and you want to take a decision, what are you going to do to Bitcoin at this point? At this point, what do you want to do to Bitcoin? At this point, what do you want to do to Bitcoin? At this point, let me know in the comment section. What are you going to do to Bitcoin? You can see Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin 4-hour chart. You've seen 4-hour charts. I want to throw this question out. Are you going to long Bitcoin or are you going to short Bitcoin? Are you going to buy Bitcoin or are you going to sell Bitcoin? What are you going to do at this point in time? I want to know quickly, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Are you going to, at this point, are you going to long Bitcoin or are you going to short it? Let me know quickly in the comment section. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your response. I'm waiting for your response, guys. I'm waiting for your response. Okay. Some people are saying long, some people are saying short, some people are saying long. Some are saying short. Nice. Long, short, going to be long, going to be short, going to be long. I believe each and everyone has their reason to justify. Who is this person that is sitting on the fence? Jire. He said, the person said, I will long along with a short and monitor it carefully. Come on, what kind of game is that? Hey, people are scaring me. How do you want to long and short Bitcoin at the same time? Relax now. Relax. You have to pick a side. So you are going to long and short Bitcoin. So whichever one comes, whichever one comes. I know that a lot of people might not really understand how the cryptocurrency futures trading works or how the market basically works, but we are going to be looking at all of that tonight. We are going to be looking at that tonight. We are going to be looking at it. We are going to be looking at it. Okay, someone said, I like this person that is putting justification. Go short because it's currently at a resistance zone. I love that, Starro. Thank you. Thank you. Smart Z says, long Jerry, let's keep trending up. But you know we can't keep on trending up forever, right? Let's long because of the pullback. Nice. Chidera, nice. Short, long. I love you guys are. Wait, what if I told you guys that you guys are correct? Like, I mean, everybody in this market, I don't see your trading decision as whether right or wrong. I see it as an idea. Either you are long in the market or you are shorting the market. I see it as an idea that you have at a particular point. Now, it is now left to the market whether it is going to go your way or it will invalidate that your idea. So if you say you want to long Bitcoin, that means, okay, someone says long because it hasn't crossed the support line. Long until it gets to resistance, then pull out and wait for the next move. Okay, I'm going to show you because there is a bearish momentum. Wise. Now, let's deal with this. Currently, this is Bitcoin 1-day time frame, right? Now, this is now Bitcoin 4 hours time frame, right? This is like the 4 hours like gives you more details. But if you want to see a more zoomed out stuff, you just go ahead to 1-day time frame. Do you understand? 1-day time frame, if you want to see a more detailed stuff. So basically, guys, clearly where Bitcoin is at right now, it is heading towards the resistance zone. It is heading towards the resistance zone. Now, when a coin, I've said this before, when a coin is heading towards the resistance zone, two things can happen. That coin might immediately reverse once it gets to this resistance. It might immediately come back, or it will break out. Do you understand now? Or it will break out. See, this is what can make it break out. If the volume is strong enough, the volume that is pushing is the money that is entering the market at that point in time. The people that are buying Bitcoin at that particular point in time, if they are much, trust me, Bitcoin will break out. It will break out of this thing. So forget the support and resistance rule. That rule also has an exception. There are sometimes the resistance will not hold. Trust me, a lot of times resistance will not hold. Look at this point now. Is this not a good resistance? Is Bitcoin not supposed to bounce down from here? It's supposed to, but it didn't. It broke out. It broke out, came back to come and retest here. Now, for those that are going to go long, when you see a kind of market like this, when you want to go long, it is advisable that you do it wisely. Do you understand that you do it wisely and sometimes that you play it safe? I know that a lot of people try to buy breakouts, but if you want to buy a breakout, don't just buy it when the price gets to the resistance exactly. Make sure that that market has broken out already and let the market come back to come and retest. An example is this place. This was a former resistance, right? This was a former resistance and this is a former support. Now, the market's going through this guy. The market's going through this guy. Normally, we expect that the market is supposed to come down here. But unfortunately, the market did what? It broke out. Now, after breakout, what you as a wise trader is supposed to do is wait for a retest. It's a retest that happened at this point. This right here is a retest. Who is with me? Who is with me? This right here is a retest. Do you understand? This is a retest. This is a retest. So now, if you want to enter a long, you won't enter the long here, not at point one. Not at point one. Not point one. You come back to enter at where? At retest. Enter at retest. Long at retest. Right? Long at retest. Do you understand? And look at that now. Look at that. You that you long at retest, you have a good profit onward. Do you understand that? You have a good profit onward. Do you understand that now? So it's basically advisable that you do that. Now, if you are going to be shorting Bitcoin, because it's very, very possible that Bitcoin will get here and reverse back down. If you are going to be shorting, you should look out for the volumes. If you see that the volumes are not really there, the volumes are smaller candles. Do you understand? Smaller candles. You can just short Bitcoin from there. Do you understand? But when you are shorting Bitcoin, keep it in mind that that short is a short term. Who is with me? The short is going to be for a very short period of time. Why? Because we are in a bullish market. And in a bullish market, we expect that the market is going to go up. So even if you are going to be shorting, make sure that your profit ratio, make sure that thing, you didn't put it too much. You don't want to be shorting and want to be putting your profit here. No. Just put it somewhere that is here. You know that it's very, very possible that even when Bitcoin comes back, it might just do that little short and reverse back. Do you understand? So that is why I said in a bull market, you want to be doing more of longing than shorting. Do you understand? But that is for the futures traders. For the sports traders, you should be looking at buying. You should be looking at buying support. You should be looking at buying pullbacks. Do you understand? I've mentioned this before. Guys, why am I basically telling you all of these things? It's because I don't just want to jump into, okay, if you want to trade on Bybit, you click on this, search for this, where you buy, you click on buy, you do this. How are you going to know what point in time to buy when you don't know how to do technical analysis? How? Although I know technical analysis is not everything, but at least technical analysis is one of the things that can make you recognize an edge in trading. Your edge is your advantage. See, there was a coin I bought when Bitcoin dumped to this point. That coin is now in profit. In fact, I've taken my profits. I've moved on. When I saw that Bitcoin goes to this point, I saw that this is a good drawdown. I bought around this point. That is my hedge. That is my advantage. And how did I know that this is what is supposed to happen? It's because of my knowledge of technical analysis. So you can't throw away my knowledge of technical analysis. You can't throw it away. Now, aside from my knowledge of technical analysis, I also know that whether I like it or not, the market can do whatever it wants to do. And I don't care. You see that trade that I long, I know that it is in probability. I know that it is probabilistic. It might come, it might not come. Who is with me? It is probabilistic. Because I know it's probabilistic, I didn't use all of my life savings, all of my capital to long the coin at this point in price or at this point in time. I didn't use all of my money that I have in this world to long the coin at this point. Do you understand? When I long the coin at this point, I set my stop loss. Who is with me? I set my stop loss. Now, why am I taking all of these measures? Because I know that something else can still happen. Okay, what if Bitcoin did not pump upwards from here? What if Bitcoin dumped and went downwards? And I did not set my stop loss. All of my life savings is what? Is gone. I'll get liquidated. I know as I'm talking to somebody here. Eh? You don't know how to manage your risk. You've gotten love letter countless times. You've gotten liquidated. Some people don't even know what exactly they are doing on the chart. Some people just they go there, go just click buy. Some people will just click shorts. They go just long, they go just short. They don't even know what they do. I want you to note some things tonight. The things I'm telling you, and I want you to be noting them down. Every opportunity you see in the market, make sure that you are taking it so that you don't regret of not taking it later on. Who is with me? See, you might have lost like 3 trades back to back. It doesn't mean that you will lose the next trade. It's still probabilistic. It doesn't mean that you lose the next trade. This is trading. Anything can happen. Anything. If I toss a coin now, do I possibly know where it's going to land? Do I know whether it is head or tail? Do I know? No, I don't know. I don't know. But I use my edge. Your technical analysis is your edge. Let me see somebody type your technical analysis is your edge. Send it in the comment section. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see somebody type in your technical analysis is your edge. Let me see somebody type in your technical analysis in your edge. Let me see somebody type it in. Let me see. Let me see. I want to see that comment. Your technical analysis is your edge. Your technical analysis is your edge. Your technical analysis is your edge. Let me see somebody type it in. I mean, this market is not sure. It's not 100% sure. See, I can bet it with you in this life that the best technical analyst is not the most profitable trader. Take it, bank on it anywhere. Forget, myself, I sabi technical analysis, die, but it doesn't mean anything. See, if you know technical analysis and you did not understand the fact that you need to manage your risk, all of your knowledge will go to waste if you can't manage your risk. Trust me. That's why when a lot of people, they make mistake or they've lost their capital or they get liquidated, they now start looking for, boss, I won't learn this thing. Oh, hey, which analysis do they use? Hey, which strategy do they use? Hey, which, my friend, I don't use past support and resistance. So I don't use past trend line. Oh, I'm still going to go through my charts now. You guys are going to see the tools I'm using to trade. I can't stress myself in this market. I can't stress myself. You see those tools that I know how to use this tool to find an edge, an opportunity. I make use of them well. And whenever the opportunity comes, I enter the trade. And once the trade comes, fine. If it doesn't come, fine. I know that is just one single loss. One single loss in many trades that I'm still going to trade. See, this thing is just like you are building. It's just like you are building. You don't just keep on win. It's not possible. You lose some, you win. You lose some, you win some. You lose some, you win some. The profit is in your accumulation. The profit is in your accumulation. Is in your accumulation. If you can compound the profit, compound it, you'll be good. You'll be good. Trust me. Trust me, you'll be good. You'll be good. You'll be good. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on. So, according to me, if I want to take any trading decision right now, I won't take that decision now. I won't long Bitcoin now. I won't short Bitcoin now. I will wait for this our Oga that is here, 73,304. I will wait. If Bitcoin breaks it, if Bitcoin should break this our Oga for here, I will wait for a retest. If the price retests, I will buy at that point. I will buy or I should long. If it doesn't retest, if it doesn't retest and it looks like it's coming down, I will short. But I know that this is my short. I know it's for a shorter time. In fact, I might not even short. I'll wait for another something similar to this, another point where Bitcoin will just go down a little bit. Is anyone getting me? Is anyone understanding me? All of these things are very, very important. Now let's go ahead to Bybit. Let's go ahead to Bybit. By the way, if you are new to Bybit, make sure that you are using our link to register. Do you understand? Make sure that you are using our link to register, and so that you can gain all of the profit and gain all of the profit and make sense out of everything. Give me one sec, guys. Give me one sec. Okay, so basically there are some kind of, see, some people, some of you guys that have your eye might not really have opened to the vast space of this cryptocurrency, but there's something that we call degen trading. Do you say futures trading is risky? Trust me, come to degen. Before your eyes like this, your money will flash. Your money will flash before your eyes. This agent is basically you trading coins that are new. See, if you don't know what you are doing, I advise don't try and agent trade. Though. You can make a lot of money and as well lose a lot of money. It's definitely very, very volatile. Very volatile. Coin can do 200% in 2 minutes, honestly. But that's by the way. That's by the way. That's by the way. That's by the way. So basically, let's take a look at how we can buy a coin, how we can short a coin. Let's take a look at that. What coin should I buy, guys? What coin should I buy? Give me in the comment section. The first person to comment. The first person to comment. What coin should I buy? Just give me a coin, any coin. You guys should dictate the coin. Someone said if I win one, they will collect two. I get you. I get you. So what coin should I buy? Okay. Someone says Gala. Let's check. Let's check Gala. Let's check Gala. Let's check Gala. So basically, if you want to search for a coin, just come to this trade and click on spot trade. Do you understand? So let's see if you can just search for that Gala right here. Yeah, Gala USDT, right? So if I want to be trading Gala, I don't just want to enter the trade blindly, like some of you guys here did. If they tell you, if your friend tell you buy this coin, you go just enter, do enter and just go and buy the coin once, boom. You no go do any analysis, you no go do anything. It's bad though. It's bad. See Gala right now. See Gala. It's somehow far away from its all-time high, anyways. Although this point right here is a good point at which you are supposed to buy Gala. Let me see if I can draw something like a rectangle tool or something. Why is this people's own? It's not full. It's not full. It's not full. But basically, this part where I put my this thing, where I put my line, right? Around 0.06725 is a good buy price. 0.06725. Somebody should remind me of that number later. 0.06725. Right? Now, this is sports buy. Sports buy is basically you buying a coin. It's just like you are going to market. You buy rice. When rice was at, I remember I bought a bag of rice last year December. Was it December? I bought a bag of rice around, yes, it was December, around 50,000 naira. Around 50,000 naira. Although I've shared it finished now, and I still have some. I still have some with me. But that bag of rice, imagine I didn't sell it. Since then, I heard rice is now 70 something thousand or 80 something thousand. I don't even know whatever price they call it. Look at that. I'll be having nothing less than 20,000 naira in profit. Why? This is because I bought the rice and I kept it. I held it till the price of rice increased, and then I sold it later for profit. That's basically how spot trading works. So now, basically, Gala right here. In fact, I like this example. You guys should clap for the person that gave us this Gala example. You guys can relate Gala very well, especially if you're in Nigeria, right? You can relate to Gala very well. How much are you selling Gala? I think 250 or 200 now. I'm not sure. So basically, Gala right here. Man, I don't want this session to pass 9 o'clock. But anyways, let's just go on. So Gala right here is at 0.06798, right? And I said I wanted to buy at 0.06720, right? So now I'll come to this other price. Did I say 0.06720? Was that what I said? Okay, 0.06725. 0.06725, right? Why am I looking at that? I think I should use 4 hours. This thing. I don't like Abajo. I don't like that particular time frame. I don't like shorter time frame. Honestly, they are less reliable. They are less reliable. They are only for scalpers. Shorter time frame. See here, let me tell you guys. The higher the time frame, the more reliable it is. Trust me. The higher it is, the more reliable it is. You understand? If your 1 day time frame says, this coin is going to pump, and your shorter day time frame says, this coin is going to dump, that coin might only dump for a shorter time and still later pump up. Do you understand? So you don't use a shorter day time frame to judge the whole market or to judge the whole direction of the market, but you can use a longer day time frame to judge the whole direction of the market. So basically, I think we are still in a good buy price, right? 0.067, let's just say 0.06725. Right? 0.06725. And how much gala do we want to buy? Let's just buy $20 worth of gala. $20. Do you guys see as I'm inputting the values? Right? Look at it. Spot, buy, limit. This thing is our limit, right? This one is at 0.06725. This one is at okay. I came here to input my order value, $20 gala, and that is going to give me 297.39 gala, right? So what I'm going to do next is click on buy gala. So it says order price, blah, blah, blah. I just want you to confirm. So I'll click on buy. I'll click on buy. So guys, automatically, it will come to my order. It will come to my order. That's okay. I have a limit buy order. It's like I'm lining up now among the people that want to buy gala. We have a lot of people. This is the order book. We have a lot of people that want to buy gala right here. They are queuing up. And a lot of people too that want to sell the same gala, right? Now, me, I want to buy gala, but I want to buy it at the particular price, 0.06725. That is why I'm lining up, and that is why my order is not yet filled. So immediately my order gets filled, that USDT that I used to buy gala, it will disappear from my wallet. And in exchange, I will have what? I will have gala in my wallet. So it's like trade by barter. Do you understand? I give them USDT, they give me gala, and I eat gala. Do you understand? And when I eat gala, I'll be satisfied. And if I decide not to eat the gala, I want to sell the gala later, if the gala increase in price to around 0.07428, 0.07428 per gala, or it even increases in price to $1 per gala, I will have a lot of profits on top of that same gala that I bought at $20. Do you understand? Is anybody with me? Is anybody with me? Just imagine, how many gala did I say I was buying? I was buying how many gala? 297 gala. Sell. Let's say I'm selling at $1 per gala. $1 per gala. And I have 297 gala. 297 gala. How much should that give me? That will give me $297. That means I use $20 to make $297. Who is with me? I hope you guys are getting it. I hope you guys are understanding. Now, that is just for setting current order. I mean, just for setting the orders. Now, I would like to actually take this trade and I would like this to trigger. Do you understand? But it looks like it's moving close to our entry set, 0.6794. It's moving close to our entry, but I don't want to wait for it because of time, right? I don't want to wait for it. So let me just set a new buy order, right? I'll just set a new buy order. Where is the price of Gala? So let's just say 0.06794, 0.06794, right? And then how much Gala in USDT? $20. $20 worth of Gala. So that's it. So I'm just going to click on buy Gala right now and then wait for it. Alternatively, I can just click on market order if I want it to buy for me immediately. In fact, let me go and show you the market order. Okay, let me just cancel these guys. So let's say I want to buy it immediately, right? I'll just come here and I'll input the price. I mean the amount of Gala I want to buy, just $20 Gala, right? And then I'll click on buy Gala, right? Buy Gala. So it will buy the Gala immediately. It will buy the Gala immediately. But you shouldn't be doing that because you should have done your analysis, right? Should have done your analysis. And any good place you see fit, that's when you should buy. You should buy when Gala actually dumps or comes down. But as I can see now, it's still a good point as we should buy Gala. So now, guys, we have Gala in our wallet. We have Gala in our wallet. We have Gala in our wallet. Now, let's max out the amount of Gala we have. 293 Gala. Let's put it to limits back. The amount of Gala we have. That's 19.9 after they've removed the trading fees. So let's even say Gala even pumped to 0.075, right? 0.075. Eh? That's when we want to take our profit. That would be a $2 profit. I think that's about 10% pump, right? So if you click on sell Gala, it will automatically sell for us when Gala increase in price to that 0.075. Do you understand now? So basically, that's how to trade in the sports market. I hope anyone understands. I hope you guys are understanding. I hope you guys are understanding. I hope you guys are understanding. I hope. Let me check on you guys. Fine. Very good. Hey, Chibueze, you want me to explain legend trading? Hey, like say you want go village. Like say you want go village. No go village, oh. No go village, oh. Legend is very risky. Don't let me use the F word. It's very, very risky. It's very, very risky. It's very, very risky. Please don't try it, though. Legend. The money can flash in your eyes like this, bling bling. You just see them. One dev go just rug you. Just rug you ASAP. So that's it, guys. That's how to buy and sell on the market. But I think I'm interested in this Gala. Honestly, I'll probably just leave it. I'll probably just leave it alone. So fine, let's move on to the futures trading aspect. For those that don't know how to trade the futures, right? Now, if you want to be trading the futures, what you want to be doing is just click on derivative on your mobile app, or you just come to USDT perpetual on your desktop app. Do you understand? So guys, give me a suggestion. The first coin is what I'm going to choose. What coin should I long or short? What coin should I analyze and long or short? They said they are delisting YFI. Okay, now. So guys, give me a coin, give me any coin you want me to long or short. Fast. Well, Agusi, spot trading and perpetuals. Perpetual is riskier. Do you understand? If you are just starting, I advise you start out with spot trading. And again, we are in a bullish market. Market coins are very, very volatile right now. So you can just go with spots, JJ. Don't stress yourself. I beg. The first 8 times I made in crypto, it wasn't true futures trading. No. The first 800% I made in crypto, it wasn't true futures trading. Like it was true spots. I was just buying and selling on spots. I'll buy at a low price, sell at a higher price. That's what I was just doing. I swear. I made more than 800% profit. What am I even talking about? You understand? So someone says use Gala again. No, Gala again. Now only Gala come here. Now only Gala waka come. Okay, let me use Dodge. Chibuzo says I should use Dodge. Let's use Dodge. I think I actually have that Dodge in my trading view. I think I added it. Dodge is Elon Musk backed. What is it called? Elon Musk backed Bitcoin. Basically, before I trade anything, I like to go to my what is it called? To my trading view app to do some technical analysis, right? So we have Dodge here. Look at Dodge. Very crazy. Look at that long candle. Look at that long candle. Look at it. And do you guys remember when I talked about breaking out and retest? Breaking out and retest. Look at the analysis I did right here. See what I wrote. I did this analysis, was it day before yesterday or 4 days ago? I can't recall. But look at it. Wait for breakout and retest or bounce to support. Do you understand? Look at the breakout. The breakout happened here. Let me show you. This is the breakout. This is the breakout. Breakout. Do you see that? Breakout, right? Breakout. And this right here, this is the retest. This is the retest. Right? This is the retest. So you entering a long on Dodge at this retest is a very good buy. Is a very good decision. Eh? It's a very, very good decision. Look at that. You entering a long at this point. Let me bring up my what is it called? My long and short too. You entering a long at this point. Look at that. Just set your stop loss somewhere around here. Eh? And let's look for a good point. Dodge is even breaking eyes. Oh. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Let's set this to 1 week. See Dodge. Oh. Let's just see. I hope you guys are seeing the analysis I'm doing. Look at this is the next line for Dodge. That's the next line. That's the next resistance line. So we basically break. I'll take this back to 4-hour time frame. We basically break through. It's possible that you can see Dodge pump to somewhere here. Crazy. 41% profit on Dodge. Oshie. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. You guys see that now? So it's best to wait for retest, right? It's best to wait for retest. So basically, let's go and what should we do to Dodge? Should we long it or short it? Let's see 1 hour. Let's see what it's doing in 1 hour. Dodge just the pump. You not even the wait for anybody. It'll be like say Elon Musk not the pump Dodge. But yeah, now. So let's go and long Dodge, right? Let's go and long Dodge. Although the typical me will not long Dodge at this particular point in time. I won't long Dodge here. No, I won't. I won't. I won't. I'll basically wait for if Dodge goes higher and then does another higher low, I can long it at that point. Do you understand? There's one thing that we call higher highs and higher lows in cryptocurrency, right? It's basically how the uptrend is being formed or the uptrend channel is being formed. You see when the coin is going up, it will make highs and then come down. See, it's just like this. Where's my tool? It looks like I'm teaching you guys too much tonight. What's going on? I don't want to teach you guys too much. I just like, let me just do this thing, get in, get out. Part. So basically, in the crypto market, this is what happens. The coin will not just go up like this once. No, this is what it's going to do. The coin will, it's to do like this. It's to go up. It's to come down a little, from higher low, go up again, from higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it continues going on like that, and like that. Do you understand? That's basically it. But let's go and long Dodge in Bybit, right? Let's go and long Dodge. So let's search for Dodge. Just come here and search for Dodge USDT. Dodge, no available data. How come? Looks like we don't have Dodge. There's supposed to be Dodge Perpetual now. What's going on? I guess why hear me. Hey, this is it now. This is Dodge. Fine. Fine. We have Dodge USDT right here. We have Dodge USDT. So we have Dodge here, guys. We have Dodge here. So basically, this is the 1 day time frame. Let's take it to 4 hours. 4 hours is actually my favorite time frame, right? It's actually my favorite. Market is currently pumping, and then we want to be longing Dodge. Now, this is a futures market. We have to be setting our stop losses. We also have to be setting our take profits if we want at that point. But stop loss is the most important. So let's just long Dodge at this particular point in price. 0.0222, blah blah blah. And then order by value. How much Dodge do you want to be longing? Let's just say $100 worth of Dodge with a 10 times leverage. That should be around $10 cost. You can see the cost here, $10. Right? How do I drive at this? Is basically your leverage times what you want to use to enter that trade. I want to enter this trade with just $10, and my leverage is also 10. So 10 times 10 is 100. That'll give me my position size, and I'll input my order price right here. It's just limits, still the same thing. If you're a newbie, just choose isolated here, 10 times, right? And then $100, right? So TPSL, take profit stop loss. Let's say I'm longing Dodge, right? And then I want to be setting stop loss. Let's say I want to set the stop loss around 0.20, right? 0.20, 0.20, right? Fine. So they said I'm going to be losing like around the whole $10. So yeah, let me set 0.21. Okay, at least I'll be losing only $5 if the trade doesn't go. And then the take profits are, let's say, 0.3, right? $0.3. So I'll be making a $34 profit. That's 347 percentage profit, right? Do you understand now? So once that is done, I'll just activate it, right? Why is this thing doing like this? What the hell is wrong? Oh, okay. Let's do it again. We are still on Dodge. We are still on Dodge. Order value 100, right? And TPSL, 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 stop loss price 0.21, and then I take profit price 0.3, right? So, so let me just click on confirm. Yeah, so our take profit and stop loss has been set, and then our entry price 0.222239, right? So what you just do right now, you just click on buy long. So if you tell us to confirm, blah 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 blah, just click on confirm. Just click on confirm. So the order, okay, the order has been filled immediately. That's very good. The order has been filled immediately. Normally the order is supposed to be here, right? The order is supposed to be here along these current orders, right? So now let's come to our position, and then we'll see the position of our Dodge, our long Dodge. You can see the value, $100. The quantity is 449 Dodge. You can see that Dodge coin. Look at the liquidation price, 0.2. You can see that now. Currently, the position is in a loss because Dodge is going down. It has gone down more than our TP level. Do you understand? It has gone down more than that. So very very fine. You can even see now. I think we are in a little bit of profit, $0.01. So just keep on moving like that and like that. So basically, that is how to click on long. That's how to long a coin. Do you understand? And if you want to short a coin, it's still the same thing, right? You just come here. If you are longing, you are betting that the price is going to go up from here. But if you are shorting, you are betting that the price is going to come down from here. So if I want to be shorting Dodge right now, I will set my take profit and stop loss. I'll put it here. I'll put it in short. Now, if I want to be betting that the price will go down, I will set a price that is lower than the entry price. But if I want to bet that the price will go up, I'll set the price that is higher than the entry price. Now, my entry price is around 0.222239. If I want to be shorting, I'll be setting a profit price like 0.2, $0.2. Do you understand? $0.2. Now, I'll also set my stop loss higher. Do you understand? That's 0. We can say 0.24 for stop loss. 0.24, right? For stop loss. So you can see here, they said we'll be making 10% profit, and then we'll be losing $7. That's too much. That's too much. Let's just say 0.23. Hey, do you see that now? $3.4. You'll be only losing $3.4. So once that is done, you just click on the confirm, right? Click on confirm, and we'll click on sell short. Do you understand that now? Click on sell short. But guys, one thing that you can't do is that you can't set a long and a short of the same coin at the same time. If not, the others will cancel each other. If I click on sell short now, it will automatically cancel this one, because how futures market works is that once you are longing a coin, if you short that coin back, that means you want to close that long position. Do you understand now? So that's it. That's it. Basically, I think we've covered it. We've also covered some part of risk management too. Also covered some part of risk management. So I'll show you guys everything. So guys, if you have any question for me, ask in the comment section. Ask in the comment section. If you have any question, ask in the comment section. If you have any question, ask me quickly before we call it a night. I mean, tomorrow is Monday. Okay, There's a public holiday tomorrow. Happy Easter to you guys. Oh. Happy Easter, everyone. Happy Easter, happy Easter, happy Easter, happy Easter. I can't remember now when none of you guys are sending Easter gifts. Eh? None of you guys are sending Easter gifts now. No, none of you will even say, oh yeah, Rocco, send your address. So I have delivery Easter order coming for you from you. It's only take that you guys know how to do. You don't know how to do. It's okay. It's okay. But once in a while, please make sure that you're appreciating somebody that is mentoring you. Do you understand? They're getting information from somewhere, from somebody. One way to build a very good relationship is to appreciate them. Even if you know pass money for bottled water, send them to them. Do you understand? I'm not asking anybody for anything. I'm very much okay where I am. But it just works for you. It just works for you elsewhere. It's a way to build relationship. I'm telling you. Nobody rejects gifts. And no gift is too small for anybody. Do you understand? So that's it. That's it. Yeah. So if you have any questions, please do let me know. Probably you might have asked your question in the previous chat and I've skipped it. So just ask your question now, please. Ask your question. Someone said, "Person if build in life with $10." Yes, now you can build your life with $10. You can. For real, I'm not joking. No. I'm not joking. But that $10, you have to be putting it in a project that is very, very mad. A project that is very, very mad. I have crazy conviction for. They know that this coin is still going to pump. I said, nothing will they happen for this crypto space. So we've seen people turn $10 to $1,000. I'm not joking. I swear to God. $10 to $1,000. $10 to $2,000. I'm not joking, guys. I'm not joking. Okay. Okay, someone said, what's the difference between isolated and cross? I would love to explain that. The difference between isolated and cross is simple, right? Um, Isolated margin is basically when you want to trade futures, and then we are telling the system that, as we entered with the cost of $10, now I'm automatically telling the system that this $10, this is just what I have to want to use to enter this trade. So I beg, dear Bybit, even if I didn't set any stop loss, if my trading position gets into a loss, and unfortunately at the end of the day, I've lost up to this $10. Don't put your hand in another money inside my wallet. Just close the trade for me after that $10 loss. Let me just be going after the $10 loss. That's what isolated margin means. Do you understand? But cross margin, as the name implies, they will cross over to another money inside your futures wallet. As long as that money is in your futures wallet. See, if you're having a $10, you enter the trade with $10, and all of that $10 is finished. Bybits can never want to run in a loss. Now, if you set cross, if you have about $50 left, now they will not automatically close that trade for you. Instead of you to end up with a $10 loss, you'll be ending up with $11, $12. That loss will continue going down, going down, going down. You'll be losing more. You'll be losing more. So that is justice. You will lose more money if you are using cross margin. But the fact is that you will not get liquidated on time. So just in case that if that market reverses from that losing position, you've lost up to $15. If it now reverses, if it now begins to pump, from that $15, your loss is no more $15, it's now $10, it's now $5, it's now pumped to normal profits. You are now in $5 profits, $10 profits. That is where cross margin is advantage. That is the pro of cross margin. That's where you can see the advantage of cross margin. It will not quickly liquidate you, but trust me, it's better you get liquidated faster. In fact, you shouldn't even be getting liquidated at all if you're setting stop losses. Because look at what I did there. I set my stop loss to $5. Now tell me, how am I going to lose the whole $10 if my stop loss is at $5? Automatically, if I lose up to $5, the trade will close because I set stop loss to $5 now. But if I did not set any stop loss, if the trade, if it goes down to $10 loss, I'll lose every of that $10. That's it. I'll lose every of that $10, which is bad. Now, I'm just using these small amounts to do mistake. I know a lot of people that are listening to me here. You guys have liquidated $100, $200, $500, $1,000, $5,000. You've lost this money. You've lost it. You've lost it. I'm sorry for you. My work is to teach. I will pass the message that I was sent to pass to you guys by Crypto Pastor. Eh? Crypto Pastor say I should hold you people here and input risk management into your ear so that you guys will not be coming to his DM to come and complain that boss, I get liquidated, I get liquidated, I get liquidated. Eh? It's bad to get liquidated. Set your stop loss. Or is there any trade ever that Crypto Pastor have ever placed for you guys and told you that don't set any stop loss? No, no. You should be a disciplined trader. Set your stop loss. Don't joke with this. No matter what might happen. I've told you guys, everything is probabilistic. Even if you are so good in technical analysis, you can still be wrong. This is crypto. No one cares about your decision or your analysis. No one cares. One mumu can just come from anywhere. That one no even sabi wetin be stop loss. You no even sabi wetin be support and resistance. It go just short term. You think the market is going to break out. It go just short term. The market is at support. You think it's going to go up. It go just short the market. It will keep on going down. I'm telling you, use your stop loss. There are a lot of mumus out there. There are a lot of mumus. Maybe everybody's having technical analysis. So that's it. Yeah, partial take profits. Very good question. Very, very good question. Very good. I love that. I love that question. So if you want to do partial take of profits, right? If you want to do partial take of profits, what you do, that thing is called trailing profits, right? It's called trailing profits. Do you understand? If you want to take profit partially. Now, this is what you are going to do. You'll be adjusting your stop loss, right? You're adjusting your stop loss. If our stop loss was formerly set at 0.205 or something like that, we can cancel that stop loss. We set a new one. Do you understand? That is peradventure if the market is going our way. So it's just canceling the former stop loss, setting a new one. Canceling the former one, setting a new one. So you are good to go. So that's just trading stop loss. That's it. Let me see more questions. Let's see how many. Can we do the analysis on the Bybit site? You can do the analysis on the Bybit site now. It's not bad. TradingView is not a must, but TradingView just give you that tools that you can use to analyze and everything. I think I've explained the difference between isolated and cross. I've explained isolated and cross. Yeah, sure. The recorded version should be available on our YouTube. Should be available. I've said different business and isolated because people are just bombarding me with the same question. Someone says, what is your assumed portfolio before using $10 for the trade? I don't understand your kind of question, but if you're talking about position sizing, right? I believe if you have a $500 portfolio, right, you should have around position size, or let's say you should be entering like 3 trades. Just divide by that $500 by 3, or in 3 places. Do you understand? So it actually depends on you, though. But I want to advise that you put all eggs in one basket. Do you understand? Okay. Please, how do I know a coin to buy before it's listed on exchange? For me to make money, new to crypto, I have not made money. If you want to know a coin to buy before it's listed on exchange, you want to be doing a lot of research. I've said it. Real world assets, RWA. You guys write it down. Get the pen right now. RWA, that's real world assets. The PIN, decentralized physical infrastructure, and meme coins. Those are the 3 narratives that are trending in crypto right now. Those 3 things. So if you can get a coin within those categories, and AI, have I mentioned AI? Those 4 things, go and write it down. Those are the things that are trending. So if you can find the one that just launched or something like that, you can get them. And inside CoinGecko, you will see where you can buy those kind of coins, whether it's a decentralized exchange or anywhere you can buy it, or maybe a Telegram bot or something. That's it. Okay, leverage is basically let me say your financial advantage or your financial power, right? Time has gone. Leverage is basically your financial power. If you are trading, a 1 times leverage means there is no leverage. A 2 times, see, me and you now, if you carry trade, $100 trade, you carry $100 trade, I carry $100 trade. And me, I use a 3 times leverage. You do not use any leverage. You bought the trade on spot, or you just long like that, no leverage. Christopher? If the trade does 10%, you make $10. 10% of $100 is $10. You make $10. But me, that I use 3 times leverage, if the trade does 10%, me, I'll make 3 times of my money. I'll make 3 times of that 10%. 3 times 10 is what? Is 30%, and that's $30. Do you understand? I'll make 30%. I'll make 30%. Why? Because I use a 3 times leverage. Same applies for 5 times leverage. Do you understand? Same applies for 10 times leverage. But the disadvantage to it is that if the trade now goes down, you that you use no leverage, if it goes down by 10%, you only lose that $10. But me, that I use 3 times leverage, if it goes down by 10%, because I use 3 times leverage, I'll lose $30. Trust me, I'll lose $30. Do you see it now? That's it. So nobody's getting cheated here. That's it. I hope I've answered your question. Okay, sorry, it was Olasukomi that answered that question. Olasukomi, I hope I've answered that question. Position sizing is basically the amount you are willing to enter a trade with. Do you understand? In the futures market, you calculate your position sizing by multiplying it with the leverage. Do you understand? If I'm entering a trade now, I know that this trade is $100 I have to enter this trade, but I want to increase my position to like $500. I'll use it 5 times there because 100 times 5 is $500. Do you understand now? So that's $500. So in futures trading, I'm not using that $500 to enter my position. That's my position size. But you need to know that whatever position size you are using, make sure that it is not all of your capital that you are using to enter it. Do you understand? If you have $500 in total, if you are entering each trade with the cost of $100, it's still reasonable. Do you understand? It's still reasonable if you have $500. And each of those trades is $500 position size. Do you understand? So that's it. That's it. I've explained isolated and cross. 20 times leverage. If you know if you know what you are doing. Me personally, I've not used above 10 times before. 10 times I have not used above this before. I started with 2 times leverage, later on 5 times, later on 10 times. And this is because I've already understood them. Do you understand? Do you understand? Someone said, how do you set multiple take profits in one trade? It's the same thing as okay. It might be related to trailing stop loss. Guys, give me 1 sec, please. I'm just running for. Yeah. So okay. So basically, where do I stop? Where do I stop? Where do I stop? Where do I stop? Okay, multiple take profits in one trade. You can basically use stop loss and then you'll be moving your profits upward if that is what you mean. And if what you mean by multiple take profits is that you take profits in different areas, it means that you can take a portion of your trade, a portion of it. It's not 100%, just small parts. You just take a portion. You sell a portion. Do you understand? That's how to do it. Just sell some. If I long the whole of 200, I mean, if I long the whole of 200 and something Dodge now, that I just want to short only 50 Dodge out of it, I can do that. That's taking profit small. Do you understand? That's it. That's it. Yeah, the recorded version will be available. Don't worry. Talk about position size. Um, okay, someone says like, which project can you build with your $10? Because I have $44. How come you have Christopher from 44 to $10? Why? Why? Didn't you set stop loss? See, this is why you need to understand position sizing too. If you have $44, I know it is very, very small. At least you can divide it into two. $22 for each trade and set stop loss. If you are using $22 for each trade, your stop loss shouldn't even be more than $5. Do you understand? See, I used to calculate one thing. If I'm going to be setting my stop loss, I know, okay, even if this stop loss is hitting back to back, I know that, okay, this whole capital I'm using to enter this thing, even if my stop loss hits back to back, back to back, back to back, I'll still be in the market. It's only if my stop loss hits like up to like 10 times before I know that, I don't vanish all of this money. And it's not possible for my stop loss to hit like 10 times. Even Olodo said, a 5-year-old, their stop loss cannot hit 10 times. Why? It's not possible. It's not possible. That's it. Amen. Oh, these new ones go well. Oh. Amen. Amen. Risk management is basically managing your risk, setting your stop loss, using your risk to reward ratio, and knowing that every trade is a probability. And you don't put all of your. See, guys, market is like human being. Person day market. You can't trust human being. That's why you can't trust the markets. And you don't even need to trust the markets to make money. You just need to see an edge, take on that edge, and uh, 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 just wait for the markets to play out. If it wins, fine. If it doesn't, fine. Take another trade. You understand? Gold on Bybit. I doubt if you can trade gold on Bybit. I miss FTX. Now FTX they always trade stocks and gold and stuff like that. Then, man, it's crazy. For $20 capital, our little advice is very simple too. You can use 10 times leverage. So probably 10 times 10, $100. Do you understand? So probably your stop $20 capital. Almost small. Okay. Our advice is just use 10 10. You can use a 5 times leverage and be careful. The stop loss should be around $5. It should not be more than $5, please. $5. Because if for your $20 to be exhausted, you have to hit stop loss like 4 times. Okay, you can reduce your stop loss to like $3 so that at least you can hit stop loss like 10 times before your money finish, which is not possible. You have to be looking at the highest case scenario, the worst case scenario. That's it. 20 times to 50 times leverage. Famous, please answer that question by yourself. If you're a beginner, you shouldn't be using that high leverage. Please master the smaller leverage first. Do you understand? Okay, how Degen trading works. Degen trading is basically you buying in new projects, new coins, meme coins, shit coins, buying those nonsense and nonsense coin and expecting this to give you like large 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times profit. Do you understand? Mostly Degen traders, they don't make use of all these exchanges that you guys use. Degen traders make use of trading bots. Trading bots like Maestro, trading bots like Bunk bots, trading bots like doesn't be the name of this trading bots. Maybe I check my telegram. Trading bots like Sigma, yeah. So each trading bot is for different kind of what is it called? It's for different kind of chain, for different kind of networks. Do you understand? So that's it. Peter, I hope I've answered your question. If you want to trade Degen, you have to be on Telegram. You get Telegram, supposed to be on Telegram. So question: what is your assumed whole portfolio before using $10 for that trade? I don't understand your question. I think I've answered it before now. Boss, how to set up MA, SMA on TradingView. I can only see MA Plus and so on. It's there now. If you search for moving average or simple moving average, you're supposed to see it. I'm supposed to see it. Guys, I think we've done enough. We can't answer our questions, please. We can't answer our questions. We can't answer our questions. But basically, if you are in the, what is it called? If you are in our crypto trading group, I think you should be able to get my number and then send in your questions to me or something so I can answer them. I'm already tired. I need to wake up very early tomorrow morning. Do you understand? So if you just have any other further questions, just ask it on the group self. You see a lot of people that can answer you there. So guys, thank you very, very much for attending this session. For you to get new coins, there are different different size. CoinGecko, Dex Screener, Telegram call groups, a lot, a lot. Even Twitter, there are a lot of callers for their Twitter, but be careful. Most of them they are calling sponsored coins. Do you understand? So be careful, careful. So guys, thank you very much for attending this session. We have to leave now. Thank you very much. And please register with our Bybit link. Even if you have Bybit accounts before and you've not registered with our link, go and transfer your funds somewhere. Then register with our own link and transfer your funds inside. Do you understand? So thank you very much, guys, for attending this session. It's been an amazing one with you guys. As someone said, how did I get so good with tea? I'm not so good though. Well, people they way plenty way pass me for tea. I'm not so good though. But let me just put it this way: it's by practice. It's by practice, honestly. Watch those video courses, guys. Those simple stuff that has been explained there for you. It's there. It's there. Do you understand? Do you understand? So that's it, guys. Thank you. Yes, now you can lose money in sports trading too, but at least the risk is smaller than futures trading. So guys, thank you very much for attending this session. It's been a nice one. So send thank you to Crypto Based Media in the comment section. Thank you, thank you. You can thank me too, Shai, if you think I did something for you tonight. So it's been a nice one. It's been a nice one. It's been a nice one. And I hope to see you guys anytime soon. Anytime soon. Somebody is asking for my name. I thought I did the introduction. I said my name is Rock. My name is Rock. So probably you can just search for me in that WhatsApp group if you are there. So just tag me to those questions in the group. Don't enter my DM. Oh. My DM is messed up and I might not be able to answer yourself. I get like 99 unread messages. So please, you can just tag me to any question you have. Do you understand? So that's it. That's it. So guys, bye for now. That'll be all. That'll be all. See you all next time. Uh,